sun beating down on your campsite with nowhere to hide. Rain rolling in fast and your gear's wide open. Whether you're overlanding through the backcountry or just tailgating on a Saturday, you need shelter that sets up fast and holds up hard. These are the best awnings for camping and overlanding right now, and every link is waiting for you in the description below. Starting things off at number 5, the Overland Vehicle System's 270-degree awning is straight up built for the serious camper. No poles needed for the initial setup thanks to reinforced oversized hinges and heavy-duty rafters. One person can deploy this thing solo. With 129 square feet of coverage, heat-sealed seams on 280-gram polycotton ripstop fabric, and a quick-lock pole system for storm mode, this awning means business. Backed by a 4-year limited warranty. That's legit. Number 4. The Timber Ridge rolls in with a massive 186 square feet of shade. That's enough room for the whole crew. Built from ultra-strong ripstop comb polyester with waterproof and blackout coating, this thing won't rust out on you. 3-sided ventilation keeps the air moving on hot days, and the adjustable side panels track the sun like a pro. Fits just about any vehicle with a roof rack and packs into a heavy-duty PVC bag. Solid value, no cap. At number 3, the ARB awning is the OG of overlanding shelter, and it brings the heat, literally, with an included LED light strip. 2-meter length, self-standing in 30 seconds flat. Telescopic legs for height adjustment and a heavy-duty nylon-reinforced PVC storage bag. The amber lighting mode is a vibe for late-night camp sessions. Mounts to most roof racks and stays mounted. Install the light once and forget about it. Classic ARB reliability right here. Number 2, the SAMOUT awning is the perfect grab-and-go solution for overlanders who move fast and camp smart. 82 square feet of coverage in a compact package. Built from fully waterproof 280-gram ripstop polyester with a UPF 50+ sun protection rating. Anodized metal telescoping poles with twist-lock design set up in seconds and adjust from 4 feet to 7 feet in height. Packs down just as fast so you're trail ready at first light. Backed by a 1-year guarantee. Taking the top spot at number 1, the Slumberjack Roadhouse Tarp is the most versatile option on this list, giving you 3 completely different setup configurations. Run it as a single-pole A-frame with your vehicle, a dual-pole awning setup, or go full freestanding A-frame without the truck at all. Made from durable 68 denier polyester with 2 heavy-duty 96-inch steel poles and 8 Super Duty steel stakes included. It's built for hunters, campers, and overlanders alike. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, Slumberjack ain't playing. 5 awnings, 5 ways to claim your space in the wild. From compact solo setups to full crew shelters, there's something on this list for every adventure style. Every link is right there in the description. Go grab yours. And if this video helped you out, hit that subscribe button. More gear reviews coming your way, and we don't miss.